ready? Is you 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 ready? She ready. She ready. She ready. She ready. She ready. She ready. She ready.
What it do, everybody? So today you're back with your girl Faith, and today's video I'm gonna be filming a Valentine's Day makeup tutorial for you guys. And I know it's a little early, but it's fine. It's really fine. So yeah, and I put a poll up for this video. I wanted to know if you guys wanted to see a Valentine's Day makeup tutorial or another gaming video, and the results kind of varied. It was more so the boys that wanted gaming, and then obviously girls wanted the makeup tutorial. So I am gonna do another gaming video, which will be my first time playing Fortnite. I'm gonna upload that for you guys. That should be pretty funny and cool, so I'm excited to play that. But I tried to avoid it for so long, but it's just been requested, so I'm just like, okay, now I have to play. So I'm gonna play Fortnite, and I'm also gonna end up playing episode 2 that got requested. So yeah, but I'm just here gonna film this little Valentine's Day makeup tutorial. You know, I got on my silk pink robe, you feel me, because you know, Valentine's Day. Yeah. So first thing we're gonna do is start with our transition shade. You guys know how it goes with that. So I'm going to be using, what do I want to use? I'm just gonna use our usual from the Morphe 350 Grand Glam palette. I'm gonna use Play It Cool as my transition shade. So I'm gonna take an Anastasia brush, and I'm just gonna work that into my crease. I think there might have been a darker shade on there, because I was testing out this look yesterday, and I think I left some of the shadow on there. Great. So I'm just applying Peachy Clean in my crease. Okay, so then what I'm also going to do is I'm going to also apply in my crease Talk Dirty, but to the outer part. It's like this deep brown shade. I think it's so pretty. So now that we have that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my Morphe E35 brush. You know, this is my baby. And I'm going to go in with, what shade is this? I'm going to go in with FOTD right here. And I'm going to work that in the outer part of my crease as well, kind of coming up to the middle of the eye. You kind of have to build this shadow up. It is pretty faint, with just 1 or 2 little swipes across the eye, so you kind of have to build up with this shade, but it's fine, it's fine. So next I'm going to go into my Subculture Anastasia palette, and I'm going to take the other end, the opposite end of the Anastasia brush, and I'm going to go in with the shade Cube, and I'm going to put that towards the front of my eye, kind of working it to the middle. Do you guys see how pretty this is? Like, it literally matches whatever you put on top, whatever you like put it on top of. I think it is so freaking beautiful, you guys. Like, this is it, Chief. Okay, so lastly for the eye look, besides the lashes and the eyeliner, you know it's not a signature Faith look without some glitter. You can skip this part. I think the look is beautiful without glitter anyway. but you know, it's not a me look if it doesn't have glitter. So I'm going to take this glitter that I got from the Glamorous Chicks Cosmetics when I went to the makeup show Chicago, and it is in the shade Sin City. I'm going to lightly put that on top of the eyeshadow, but I'm only going to put it up here. So I'm going to take a little bit of glitter glue, just a little bit, because we don't want to ruin the color that we just put on. But I do want the glitter to stick. Yep, that's perfect. Okay. So I've applied lashes and highlighted my inner corners with this. It does not have a label on it. I've had this for a long time, but it's just this shimmery. Yeah, I'm kind of a flop. It just fell on the ground. I think I'm going to highlight with this above my eyebrows a little bit too. Just so my inner corner isn't too lonely. Just a little bit, because I'm still going to end up adding my actual, like, natural highlight. But, yeah, so this is the eye look. And now the rest is just the same. I keep the same foundation routine as of right now. So, I mean, honestly, I think it's pretty boring to watch me do, like, the foundation and stuff, because it's the same every time. Like, I haven't really switched up anything. I still color correct. I still use the Maybelline Fit Me. Like, I will be switching it up soon because, like I said, I really want to try the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. And I want to get back kind of into using my Fenty foundation. I kind of stopped because it had like a really, I think it was too yellow for me. But I want to try and match my shade again and get back into the wave of using it. But yeah. And fellas, if any fellas are interested in watching this video and you are watching, get your lady something for Valentine's Day, okay? Even if she don't deserve it. Because, you know, we be gifting y'all when y'all don't deserve it for y'all birthday and stuff. So I think you should get your lady something. If you need help, I can definitely do a gift guide for you guys. But, or you can just hit me up. But yeah, I think y'all should get y'all ladies something nice, you know, take her out, get her some flowers. It be the littlest things. I mean, like, for me, it's always like the littlest stuff just can make me happy, like flowers, chocolate covered strawberries, candy, something, like anything. Just be excited. To go see the City Girls, period. March 30th. I will be there, front and center. Actually, I'm getting balcony seats because that's better. Because, like, we have this thing called the rave, and the balcony is, like, the best place to have. So, I'm buying balcony tickets, and I'm going with my girls, and we're gonna go see the City Girls. And I think it was Lil Baby is gonna be there too. So it's really just a time to get lit, and that's like a birthday present to myself, basically, because my birthday is March 16th. Save the date, save the freaking date, y'all. But yeah, I'm excited to turn up. Where the money at, period. Where the bag at. That it's just about to really go crazy. Like, I wish they had like meet and greet, because I swear, y'all, you know what, no, that was God's plan, because if I would have got to meet the City Girls, it would have been a whole wrap. It would have been a whole wrap. They would have had to call security. Just would have been over. I'm telling you. About to apply some concealer under my eyes. telling y'all, same routine. Same routine. Okay, so now that I have everything that has to do with liquid and cream on my face, I'm going to take my Revolution Luxury Baking Powder in Banana. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to apply that with a brush just to kind of set our face down a little bit. And my skin is already like kind of oily, so yeah, we don't need to be out here shining bright like a diamond. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of bring some color back into our face, and I'm going to take my Black Radiance little golden almond powder, and I'm going to contour my cheeks. I kind of want to get back into cream contouring. I just need to find some good products for that. I kind of want to try Kim Kardashian's little cream contour stick. Like, I'm pretty into that. Or like Fenty or something. I don't know. I kind of want to get back into it because I used to do it all the time. Like back when like I didn't wear foundation. Ooh, those days. But my skin was actually really good. But yeah. And then also a highlight shade from my Sephora palette that I don't have the top to either. Had it for a very long time. Hope you guys all enjoyed the video. I love you all so much. Do not forget to turn on post notifications because we want to be fresh on videos, okay? Period. But like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.